Good morning, students. Now we will move to the next chapter of your grammar, that is articles. Okay. Words such as a, an, and the are known as articles. Okay. An article always comes before the noun in a sentence. Okay. Again I repeat, words such as a, an, and the are known as articles, and article always comes before the noun in a sentence. Articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. And what are indefinite articles? A and an are indefinite articles, and the is definite article. Indefinite article modifies any common noun in its singular form. Okay. I have a friend in New Delhi. He sings very well, and I thought he would want to become a singer in future. But he wants to become an artist when he grows up. Last week he sent me a painting done by him. Okay. So, a and an refer to any one general member of a class of common nouns, therefore they are called indefinite articles. Next thing is, when do we use indefinite articles? We use a and an before countable nouns in their singular form. For example, a student, a chair, a flower, an aunt, an apple, to define or describe a person or an object. For example, an engineer, a mobile phone, a student, an imported watch. Next is when a proper noun is used as a common noun. Okay, we need a Gandhi to stop violence in India now. In some expressions that contain idioms, Mukul was in a hurry. Okay. Next thing is, we do not use a and an. कहाँ पर हम use नहीं करते हैं? Before countable nouns in their plural forms and before uncountable nouns, because a and an signify one. I have chairs in my study. Please bring some sugar, not a sugar. Before an adjective, not followed by a noun. He is brilliant, not he is a brilliant. When the noun is preceded by another determiner. Determiners are words which modify a noun in some way. Some other determiners are this, that, these, those, my, you, your, his, either, neither, some, any, many, what, whose. Okay. This is a poem of mine, not this is a my poem. Have you seen a movie recently? Not have you seen any movie recently. Now the exercise based on this, you have to fill the gaps with appropriate indefinite articles. If no article is required, put cross. This is an ostrich. I just finished reading a book. The students need help with shifting, no article furniture. Help with shifting, no article furniture. Because furniture क्या लगाओगे आप? ना ही इंडेफिनिट आ फर्नीचर भी नहीं लिख सकते और एन फर्नीचर भी नहीं लिख सकते. फर्नीचर इज टेकन एज द फर्नीचर्स आप नहीं लेते हो, फर्नीचर को फर्नीचर ही रहने देते हो इन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल बोथ द फॉर्म्स. वी नीड टू टेक द पेशेंट टू अ हॉस्पिटल. Virima wants a boiled egg for breakfast. Rahul is dash naughty. No article. I need to buy no article meat. Okay. Next is definite articles. A definite article is used when we want to refer to a particular person or object. When we are talking about a particular person or object. Okay. When do we use definite articles, singular noun. The exercise you did today was difficult. With plural nouns, the exercises in this chapter are very interesting. Nouns already mentioned. I am writing a poem now. The poem is about nature. Okay, we are talking about the poem. In the first part of the sentence we have used a poem, and in the second part we have used the. Uncountable nouns when a particular or definite reference is made to them. The milk is stale. Okay. Ordinals such as first, second, third, next, further. The first letter of the English alphabet is A. And adjectives in the superlative degree. Asif is the best athlete in our school team. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Musical instruments के साथ the drums, the guitar. Names of seas, oceans and rivers: the Ganges, the Bay of Bengal, the Atlantic Ocean. And some countries name: the United Arab Emirates, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, with the mountain ranges, with the well-known buildings such as the Red Fort, the Buckingham Palace, with newspapers: the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, with trains and ships: the Darjeeling Mail, the MV Harshvardhana. Okay, now the exercise based on the definite articles have been omitted and you have to insert wherever necessary. Okay, and now the next exercise: fill in the gaps in the following sentences using a, and, the, or no article. To get to our school, cross the street, walk 3 blocks towards the east and you will see the school right in the corner. Okay, an elephant has escaped from a zoo. It has taken shelter in a nearby school. Everyone in a neighborhood seems to be extremely scared. Nobody is ready to face an elephant. The zoo officials have been called to capture an elephant. Before a vowel sound you will write an, and before a consonant sign you will write a, and then there is a particular thing or object you will write the. And the trees are crucial to human existence on the earth. Yet we are bent upon destroying the forest. Indiscriminate cutting of trees in the Himalayan forest is the root cause of soil erosion. Now in the next exercise also you also have to complete the story with the correct articles. Okay, choosing from those given in the brackets. So this is the chapter. Okay, thank you.